Hi guys, I'm back. So time check. It's already 8, but we finished around 7:30. Nandito lang ako kasi kakaalis lang ng client because we were like waiting for a grab or in-drive to arrive kasi maulan. So ayun, medyo natagalan, but it's okay kasi I was just, you know, checking what else to do here sa studio before I go. But I guess I have to head out also kasi I have a child and it's almost past. It's already 8 na din pala. Yun nga. So, I have to go, guys. Don't mind the time here kasi sira na yan. Hindi ko na siya magamit kasi natanggal na yung parang metal dun sa may battery niya. So, hindi na maano yung battery pag nilagyan ko siya ng battery. Basta gets ko yun. Basta yun na yun. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. I have to go home na. I think magko-commute lang ako. Hi guys! I'm back. So, ayun. Hi guys! Welcome back to my nail studio. So, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo yung background and yung pwesto ko. I'm currently in my nail studio here in South Signal Village, Taguig. And I just finished one client. And all I can say is, I'm so happy. And it's a little bit of fulfilling na kahit masakit yung bato ko as of the moment, medyo happy naman ako and worth it ang ating sakit sa batok. And this is our first client for this month. And I will be having another client by tomorrow. So I hope that I will have another client for the next few days and weeks. So, ayun lang. I'm just so happy with the decision that I've made na nakaalis ako at the same time nakakagawa ako ng something for myself na happy ako. And sometimes designs are a little bit challenging, and of course there are always bumps along the way while doing my craft, but yeah, life goes on. And I'm just so excited to be back, like officially na talaga. So ayun, I'm currently like trying to figure things out. We just cleaned this small studio, and I'm just trying to look for improvements here, especially with the products, trying to do the quality checks if it's still usable, or at the same time is it what do you call this, Is it efficient pa rin ba to use those products? So yeah, I'm currently doing quality checks with my things and also looking for more products to get para sa aking future designs kasi a lot of designs has been popping on our social medias. So, for sure naman maraming clients na gustong itry yung mga currently trendy nail designs. So, yeah, I just have to look for more products to buy and scout a lot of things. And yun lang. This is my first time being in my craft for the past 6 months. And I will be uploading future contents here. No, not exactly here, but on my TikTok page under my Nail Vibe Studios. So, yeah. I'm back, bitch. Bitch is back.
Kasama ng proper diet at exercise, maaaring makatulong ang Artesi. Let's go!
Make your move, baby.
Artesi, get going! Mahalagang pa!
PH na sabi lang flat ng palapan, bahala ka na mag-grow.
Yun yung trapezoid.
Isipin mo yung wedding dress, yung mga wedding gown.
Nakakorek ba siya to? Sorry
Yes.
Kasi hindi to ganito dati eh. Ito yung ano ko, ito yung
Yes.
ano ko before. Malala siya, super like, ito ang heated na ng top. Tapos pagdating sa dulo flat siya, pag
Nakakorek
ano
yan.
siya.
Ito yung topic natin.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Laman lang
i-vlog natin yan.
Yeah.
Nagahan ko na yung ulit, sabi ko kasi para makabawi ako last time.
For the kain ng mga person.
Mga to, hindi na talaga ako pinagsama. Pero boulevard pa. Saan talaga nagsasada?
Hi ka naman, madam. Madam talaga. Kain. Pero kamusta yung client mo? Ilang nakakailang client ka per month?
Per month? Pero hindi ko nasusulit ko kayo.
Puro taga-kabila.
Hindi, pero may mag-a-search siya.
Ang tawag doon.
Hindi naman
Pagka matagal ko niya, yan, sige mamaya mo yan. No? Nyari, pag...
Ito nga yung trabaho eh.
Nagpagaman na yan. Yan na yan. Yung dyan sa end cut. Yan na yun. Yan na yung tip na. And of course, ito. Sisilid niya talaga lagi dapat. Hindi niya makikita kung saan tayo tayo. filing niya lagi. Start kayo sa center.
Ako na lang ito.
Sabi niya lang.
Mamatay naman siya pusa.
Dito naman yung pindutan.
Ayun lang.
Ay, hindi mo lang sure. Ilang seconds na yun?
Hindi ako
Kasi mas
sanay.
okay siya kasi ako kasi kasilig ko sa ano.
Then, hindi niya tayo pa-file.
Mahirap. Hindi
pa.
pa. Ay ka naman. Favorite. Liad na liad siya.
Hindi namin yan. Pagkasama friend.
Mahilig niya ni
Diba?
Ay, pag pinakita ko sa picture namin magkakaibigan talagang sila bakla. Ano pala mo biba hot babe? Sana.
The complaint. This is basic that the grant of express powers includes the grant of incidental, the principle of competence, and German, and all arbitral tribunal. In this case, impeachment court has no power to dismiss an impeachment complaint. Walang silbi.
So, I'm back at home and nag-base lang ako. Hindi muna ako shower tomorrow na lang. Kasi nakakapagod. So, tanggalin na lang natin yung makeup natin. And as you can see, nag-smudge na siya. Pagod din ako, shit. Super fun. Ang dami ko natutunan and ang tagal ko na din kasi hindi talaga nails. Parang bago siya ulit. And I'll show you kung ano yung ginawa namin doon. Ayan. Ito yung akin. Ito yung ginawa ko on my own. And ito yung dinemo no trainer namin, si Maddie. So, ayan na. Dami ko natutunan and bumili ako ng products from her. And yeah. And meron pa kaming training tomorrow, second day training namin. And then, sasalang na kami for clients. Like, may gagawa na talaga kami. 2 clients in 1 day. Nakakaloka. Pero I'm excited kasi para, alam mo yun, para malaman ko din talaga if I can do it with clients, not just my own nails, which is the purpose kaya ako kumuha ng training. And I want to upskill my service din talaga. Okay na siya kasi medyo binibigyan ko na siya ng pansin. Hello, te. So this is what I got or what I bought doon kay Miss Maddie, or what we call her Doc Maddie. So ito yung kanyang hard gel. Sana kita, di ba? So ayan. Ito yung ginamit ko kanina, guys. If makita niyo siya sa vlog ko. And then, I bought 3 type of bits. So, yung flame bit, yung removal bit, which is yung C, yung pinaka-coarse. Actually, hindi pa to yung pinaka-coarse. Coarse pa lang to. Pero removal siya. Safest roughness. Basta yun. Tapos, ito naman yung extra fine na pang blending bit. So, yan. Small barrel. Ayan. This is the blending bit. I have to try this out. Kasi nasa 1+ kasi yung ito sa nail corner nails. So, ayun. Yun lang. And tatabi ko lang to and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have to sleep na and rest. Ay,
beer, kulog mo.
Sorry. Pili. Sa akin. Nasa Reddit ka na mamaya. Wala pa. Sa akin yan? Magkano yan? Ay, thank you! Look! Pero ina-expect ko talaga ito eh. Ang kapal.
Makikita mo sa imagine mo, wow, ang taas ko na. Ganon. Makikita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses eh.
Hinanap mo mama mo, no? Inside. Oh.
Lugi pala pala. Uulit pa yun yung ano. Pag nadikitan mo yan.
Okay lang. Kailangan. Pag naman.
Minsan kasi makakatapat ka ng driver na kalahakay.
Oo.
Yun o, baka gano'n o.
Yun nga po eh.
Kawawa ka naman pag nasiligid.
Days ago. Yeah, okay. I'm so sorry, but